Hello to all my lovely subscribers, my lovely viewers out there. So, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to produce a hair relaxer at home, a very effective hair relaxer at home. So, the benefit of learning this skill is that you will know how to produce your own relaxer for home use or produce it and go into the business and be selling it. We have a lot of hairdressing salons that will need your service. So this is a very big business to venture into. You will make a lot of money selling hair relaxers. So if you can learn this skill and start selling hair relaxers to hairdressing salon, you won't regret, because hair relaxer is a hair treatment that a lot of girls use on their hair. It's something they can't do without. It helps the hair to be healthy and longer. So it's good to venture into this business. So right now I'm actually listing my ingredients that I'm using. I'm listing every ingredient for the purpose of this video, so that just in case you want to produce this at home, you will also not have difficulty. I'm listing my ingredients with their measurements. So if you want to produce for a larger quantity, you can just double my ingredients. What I'm producing is for 1.5 liter of relaxer. So if you want to produce 3 liters, you just double my measurement. If you want to produce larger quantity, you just add up my measurements and produce them. You can also do well checking the description of this video to join my online class where I teach soap making, laundry bar soap, the liquid soap, the organic soap, body cream, powder detergent, liquid soap, hair shampoo, hair conditioner. You learn a lot of things if you join the online class. Check the description of this video. Check the description of this video to you will find a link. Once you just click on the link, it will take you straight to my online class. But if you have difficulty clicking on the link, you can do it by reaching me on the phone number I have been displaying on the screen of this video. You reach me on WhatsApp to be added to the class, where there you learn a lot. I also have ebooks available. Ebooks contain a lot of skills. It has 18 skills in it. It has skills on how to make soap. It has trainings on how to make body cream, liquid soap, powder detergent, the laundry bar soap. A lot of things is embedded in the ebook. It has up to 18 procedures on how to make skincare and household cleaning products. There are up to 18 of them in the ebook. Then also the ebook has bonuses like how to acquire a NAFDAC registration number in Nigeria. It has the requirements NAFDAC needs before they can give you a NAFDAC registration number. It is in the ebook. The ebook also has the addresses of where NAFDAC offices can be located in different states or in all the states in Nigeria. It's in the ebook. And if you have issues locating where you can purchase chemicals in different states in Nigeria, once you purchase this ebook, all those informations are there. The ebook has addresses on where to purchase chemical in different states in Nigeria. So you reach me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase your ebook. Then also I have begun a training on how to print on nylon. Just in case you are a soap producer and you want to package your soap, your tablet soap or your laundry bar soap in printed nylons, I have begun a training on how to print on nylon at home. You can literally print on nylon, transparent nylon, and use it to package your soap so that your soap can look like other printed nylon packaged soap out there in the market. You know how all these big soap companies package their soap in printed nylon. You'll be taught how to print on nylon at home and package your own soap. If you are a producer and you want to package on printed nylon and you want to learn how to print on nylon at home, reach me on the number displayed on the screen to join the training or to be added to the training group where you'll be taught how to print on nylon. It's not just printing on nylon you'll be taught about. You'll be taught how to package your soap in cartons. Just in case you want to package it in carton, you don't want to package in nylon, but you want to package in carton, like the way Eva package your soap in cartons. You want to learn how to do it, how to package your soap in carton, you'll be taught also. Then if you want to learn how to package your body creams in containers, you know those packaging they put on those containers, or if you want to be producing hair cream and you want to be packaging it in containers, then also reach me. You'll be taught how to package in nylon or print in nylon first, then use it to package your soap. You'll be taught how to package in cartons. You'll be given the necessary procedures in the training. Then also you'll be taught how to package your body cream in body cream containers, or your hair cream, or any kind of production that needs containers. You'll be taught how to package and make it look attractive so that when your customers need it, they will come back again due to the way you package your product. So you reach me on the number displayed on the screen if you want to learn packaging. Packaging is very important. Once you package your product, you have a lot of sales. It has a way of attracting a lot of customers. So reach me on the number displayed on the screen if you want to join this training on how to package your product. Alright, so thank you for watching this video on how to make hair relaxer at home. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video to those that want to learn this skill. Now this relaxer that I have produced will get thicker after 24 hours. It will become very thick like the usual relaxer that you know in the market. So after 24 hours, this production will become thicker than this. Okay, so don't forget to reach me on WhatsApp if you want to learn how to print on nylon and also how to package your product in cartons. That is printing on nylon for your laundry bar soap, or you want to package your bathing soap in cartons, or you want to package your body creams, your body oil, your body lotion. You want to learn packaging in general. If you are into production, you want to package your products, reach me on WhatsApp to be added to this training. The training fee is very affordable. So see you there and goodbye.